am doing my first hair video in a very long time. I haven't done one in years since my hair started growing back after chemo, so I'm really excited to show y'all how I do my dry bar blowout at home. It's super simple, only takes a few products, and I've been doing this look a lot lately. I love it. So if you want to see how to do this look, then just keep watching. So first I wanted to talk about the hair products that I use every single day. I have them all right here. 3 brands that I love are Drybar, Moroccan Oil, and Amika. So I use all of those almost every single day. If you've watched a lot of my post-cancer hair videos, because I used to do a ton of more hair videos right when I was growing my hair back when it was still really short, I have been using this for years. I love it. It keeps my hair healthy. If I take a shower and wash my hair that night, I'll use 2 pumps, and if it's on dry hair, I just use 1 pump. And then one day a few years ago, I found their hairspray. Absolutely love it. It smells the same as the oil. And then the Drybar products I use every day, I pretty much use the Detox Dry Shampoo, and then the Hottie Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. I was using the Amika Heat Protectant, and I love that too. I just wanted to try something different. And then days when I do the blowout look, I've been using the Miracle Soothing Sealant, and this just helps it stay in place. It says it lasts for 3 washes. And then I will use the Final Call Frizz and Static Control Mist, because sometimes after I use the rollers, my hair is really staticky. And then when I do the blowout look, I have a basket full of these rollers from Drybar. You can get them from anywhere. And if you don't have rollers, you can honestly just roll your hair up and just bobby pin it to your head. That works too. And then for the actual brush that I use to do this, I will use the Amika. This is the hair dryer brush, I think is what it's called. I actually went into Sephora looking for the thermal brush that was going viral online, and they were sold out, so I got this one instead, and I actually really like this one instead. I feel like I can do more. I love this, and my roommate in college used to use it, and she loved it too. She had really thick blonde hair, so it's very versatile, and it works for different hair types, which is great. That's what I wanted to talk about for hair products, and now I want to actually do the blowout, so let's get started. I scooted y'all over because I'm going to be looking in my mirror a lot while I'm doing this. I'm going to start by putting 1 pump of my Moroccan oil in, because I feel like if I put oil in my hair before, it glides easier on the brush and on the rollers. And I didn't wash my hair last night, so when I woke up this morning, I had already put in some dry shampoo. Then I'm going to spray some of the smoothing sealant in it. Okay, so that's the first one done. I used the big one for the back, and then the front I'm going to use the smaller one right here. And on these front pieces, I always like to fold it away from my face. After those top 2 are done, I will move on to doing my side pieces. Focus on the most, the front and the face framing pieces. The rest of them I just kind of section out do however many I need to, or until I'm out of these. Okay, so all of those are in, and I'm gonna spray it with some hairspray, and I usually let these sit for a few minutes. Honestly, sometimes I like to do it before I do my makeup or get ready for the day, so they have time to sit for half an hour or a couple hours. So just do that, and I'll come back when I'm ready to take them out. Okay, it's been about an hour, and I'm gonna take these out now. And I personally like when they swoop in towards my face, but if you want them swooping out, just do it the opposite direction. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these with the Frizz Control Mist and then a little hairspray. All right, now for the grand finale, the top 2. And that is how I get my Drybar blowout at home. This was such a fun video to do. I haven't done a hair video since my hair got to a length where I just started doing it like normal again, so it was a lot of fun to do another one. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!